Can you believe that detoxification of the body and the mind can be so simple where you just join few fingers together for few minutes every day and you just detoxify your body and the mind completely? Yes, there is a very powerful mudra which is a detoxification mudra I'm going to explain here. Detoxification mudra is a sacred hand gesture or lock that can be utilized to channelize the energy towards the purification or detoxification. It helps in clearing of negative energy and habit patterns from the body's energy channels as well as the mind. At least once in a day, you should practice this detoxification mudra along with some meditation and yoga breathing practices to speed up the process of detoxification. The detoxification mudra is a mudra that helps in the detoxification of your body by removing waste from your eyes, mouth, ears, and nose. By executing this mudra and breathing properly, you can eliminate 90% toxins from your body. Detoxification mudra encourages the body to get rid of impurities and the mind to let go of bad energies. This mudra can assist you in visualizing thoughts, feelings, or events that you wish to eliminate from your life, as well as harmful behaviors that are keeping you stuck. Bring whatever it is you want to manifest in your life to mind and thoughts. And this mudra will assist in clearing space and directing positive energy. Detoxification mudra is very effective during any form of detoxification or purification process which can be practiced any time of the day while watching TV, reading a book, or simply lying on the bed. To highlight, as the detoxification is taxing on both the body and the mind, it's crucial to get enough rest and drink plenty of water to remove everything that is impure inside your body. A recent research proves that this mudra can be very useful to treat anuria, constipation, bloating, piles, vomiting, hiccups, and restlessness. It also helps in the reduction of menstruation pain and blood pressure. In addition, the mudra helps in the regulation of liver functions as well. How to practice this mudra? Find a peaceful place, which is distraction-free location where you can relax, or in a secure and grounded position, probably sitting or lying down. Then join the index and middle finger together and the ring finger with the little finger with the tip of the thumbs on the inside of the lower joint of your ring fingers on both hands. Concentrate on taking slow and deep breathing. Along with this practice, try to eat clean and healthy diet where you include lot of fruits and vegetables in your diet. Also drink plenty of water so it intensifies the process of detoxification.